Hi everyone. Today I'll take you the best place which is very calm, very beautiful, very peaceful to celebrate 76th Independence Day of India. So let's come and enjoy with the little boss. Same here.
माता की भारत माता की
No, stop it.
शुरू करेंगे शुरू कर
which was not allowed 75 years ago. This job we are doing as teachers and students today, that was not allowed 75 years ago. We are celebrating this independence. We are celebrating this India today. This India which is the largest and most exceptional democracy in the world, which is is diverse in every possible way, in geographical way, in social, in cultural, in linguistic way. This India, my country India, our country India, let's celebrate this India today, that the land the world knows as India today was once home to one of the three earliest civilizations of the world, which is the Indus Valley civilization. You may have already idea about it. This civilization which was most widespread, this civilization which spread across around 1.25 million kilometers. We belong to this country. We belong to this civilization, which is, this spread was before around 8,000 years before it had happened. And if you think this is too much, this civilization, this Indus Valley civilization, this is too much, then let me tell you, this India today is using 6% of the world's languages. That's a whopping 19,500 languages today. And this number keeps on growing.
Like, you can take it. You want to make your country great. How it will come? Let make our country clean from all the dirtiness. Starting from our home, starting for our classroom, starting from our school, starting for our area, then the entire country will be clean. What is the misfortune of our country? All the time, any outsider come here, they told that India is a good country but very dirty. So first our affirmation will be, we should make clean our country, which started with our Swachhata Ki Abhiyan. And let's polish all the narrow-mindedness by going think globally with the great ideas of Sanatan Dharma, that Vasudevam Kutumbakam. And it's the time. Let's curb all the corruptionfulness by establishing the transparency and accountability from our duty, from our activity. Let's cleanse and tone up all the pollution by planting at least one tree, what our students and our team already started. So it's the time to make at least one needy person happy, one needy person health.
প্রভু দখল কলে সে সারা মুলক দেখাই আমকু গুলি বন্ধুক বহি নেলে আম দেশরু ধন বন্ধুক মূলরে কলে শাসন পাটি কলে হেলা বেত পাহাড় গুলিরে ফাটিলা মথা কাহার হেলে সে অনেক সুযোগ্য সন্তানকু জন্ম দেইছিলা যাহাঙ্কর আপ্রাণ উদ্যমরে দিনে সে তার স্বাধীনতাকু ফেরি পাইলা সিরাজউদ্দৌলাঙ্গ ঠাରୁ আরম্ভ করে টিপু সুলতান পর্যন্ত জয়ী রাজগুরুଙ୍କ ଠାରେ ଆମେ ଶପଥ ନେବା ତାଙ୍କ ପରି ନିଜକୁ ଗଢ଼ି ମାନେ ତୁମେ ମାନେ ସବୁ ହେଉଛ ତୁମ ବାପା ମାଆଙ୍କର ଅନେକ ଆଶା ଆକାଂକ୍ଷା ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ମନ ଦେଇ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ ତାଙ୍କରି ଆଶାକୁ ପୂରଣ କର ଆଉ ଭାରତ ମାଆର ଗୋଟିଏ ସୁଯୋଗ୍ୟ ସନ୍ତାନ ହୁଅ ଆଉ ବେଶୀ ସମୟ ନେବିନି ଏତିକି କହି ମୁଁ ମୋର ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଶେଷ କରୁଛି ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।
যদি আমার অরিজিনেট লোক অরিজিনর সে মধ্য ইংল্যান্ডর প্রাইম মিনিস্টর হয়ে পারতি রেসরে অনেক দুইজন ভিতর তেমন আমি ভাবিবা বহুত কিছু আমি উন্নতি করে পারিছে উই আর অ্যাচিভ মেনি থিংস বট মেনি থিংস টু গো ইন স্পেস টেকনোলজি ইন্টরনেট থ্রু আউট বর্তমান যে কম্পুটর চালিছি সফটওয়্যার ইন্ডিয়ার সব লোক মানে হি চলাউছেন তেণুকরি आमे आमर जो अचिवमेंट सब ताको कंटिन्यू करवा एवं यही दिन में आमे शपथ नेबा हेलो यही दिन में आमे तिरंगा पत्र शपथ नेबा आमे कौन कले आम देशर उन्नति हो पार तापाई आमे कि चेष्टा करवा जेहेतु विभिन्न फील्ड में विभिन्न लोक अच्छा सैन्य मैंने आमको देश जगिंट आमको बाहर शत्रु बाबू रक्षा कितु खाली कहले तो हम नहीं आम कौन करुचे आम आज ए स्टूडेंट आम स्कूल पिला हिसाब से मुझे सजेस्ट करी पिला माने डिटेल भाव में जहाँ भी पढ़ुच आउ 6th to 12th क्लास पर्यंत पाठ पढ़ा जीवन सारा दरकार आकोसी परीक्षा मेडिकल इंजीनियर हो आईएएस हो ओएस हो एनी फील्ड एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम जहाँ भी किसी कर तुम बेस्ट हो 6th to 12th क्लास तुम यही तिरंगा तले आम शपथ करवा शिक्षक मैंने निश्चित भाव में साहय कर सब पाखे अच्छा आम सब तुम पाखे अच्छु यही दिन जो ये शपथ कर जहाँ निजर जो दायित्व अच्छी कर्तव्य अच्छी पाठ पढ़ा से ठीक भाव तुलेब निश्चित भाई।
Good morning everyone. Happy 76th Independence Day. Congratulations to all the winners of different competitions today. I am very much glad to deliver vote of thanks on this auspicious day. On behalf of our OAV Baurigondapalli family, I first of all thanks to our respected principal sir for his kind presence and acknowledging for this day. I am very much thankful and organizing these pleasing functions today. Thank you Srikant sir for today's photography. I am extremely thankful to all our students present today and for their active participation on today. Lastly, I am immensely thankful to all our teaching and non-teaching staff for their kind presence and dynamic involvement. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai.
वीडियो रहेगा नहीं लाइव सिंगर आपको किया